Good morning students. Today I am explaining change of x 4 marks important sum. Given equation x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay. Let the axis be rotated through an angle theta and capital X capital Y are the new coordinates. These are new coordinates of small x comma y. Okay, x equal to formula x cos theta minus y sin theta, y equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, x sin theta plus y cos theta. Substitute small x comma y values in equation 1. Ax square x cos theta minus y sin theta whole square plus 2hxy plus 2hxy x cos theta minus y sin theta into x sin theta plus y cos theta xy plus by square x sin theta plus y cos theta whole square equal 0. A into x square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta 2h into x square cos theta sin theta plus xy cos square theta minus xy sin square theta minus y square sin theta cos theta. Okay, plus p into x square sin square theta plus y square cos square theta plus 2xy sin theta cos theta. Okay, this is the equation. Eliminating xy terms. Eliminating xy terms. Only xy terms we want. Minus 2a sin theta cos theta plus 2h cos square theta minus 2h sin square theta. Okay, plus 2b sin theta cos theta equal to 0. Okay, here b, here a. Okay, 2 sin theta cos theta minus a into sin 2 theta plus 2h into cos square theta minus sin square theta cos 2 theta plus b into sin 2 theta equal to 0. Okay, 2h cos 2 theta equal to a minus b sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta equal to a minus b by 2h. Tan 2 theta equal to a minus b by 2h. 2 theta equal to tan inverse of a minus b by 2h. Okay, theta equal to half tan inverse 2h by a minus b. This is case 1.